Thatcham Research, a UK-based office that works for the Association of British Insurers, has reasoned that producers, for example, Tesla, should be clearer and more particular about the contrasts between the capacities of its autopilot driving help framework and full self-driving suites like those utilized by Waymo and GM Cruise. In a meeting with BBC News, Matthew Avery of Thatcham Research expressed that highlights with names, for example, Teslaâ Euro TMS Autopilot, summon the feeling that the vehicles can drive themselves under all conditions, when they really canâ Euro TMT. A Euro 03 Euro TMS, an issue with the makers endeavoring to present innovation and shoppers not being prepared for it, not being certain if either Euro TMS mechanized or a Euro do I have to keep watching? A Euro TM, we need it clear. It is possible that you are driving a Euro helped a Euro or you a Euro 3 not driving a Euro automated, a Euro, Avery said. Avery directed a show of the dangers drivers confront in the event that they wind up finished dependent on the abilities of the driver help framework. Drawing in a Tesla Model 3 Euro TM Autopilot, Avery picked to complete 2 tests. In the primary test, which included the electric auto following a vehicle that eased back to an end, the Model S performed well. In the second test, be that as it may, which included a lead vehicle switching to another lane, all of a sudden, the Model S was not ready to stop in time, crashing into a stationary auto spoken to by an inflatable sham in Thatcham Euro TMS test track. Tesla utilizes a variety of 8 cameras, 12 ultrasonic sensors, and a front-oriented radar to identify objects and different vehicles out and about. Upgraded Autopilot, the company Euro TMS driver help framework that uses Tesla Vision, utilizes a blend of traffic-aware cruise control, TACC, and auto-steer. Activity-aware cruise control empowers drivers to set a speed and take after a lead vehicle while keeping a settled separation. Auto-steer, then again, recognizes path markings and the nearness of vehicles and items, directing Model S in light of the road to Euro TMS markings. There are a few examples, notwithstanding, where TAC would demonstrate lacking. For example, when the lead vehicle is going underneath the user Euro TMS set speed before exchanging paths. In such a case, the Tesla would coordinate the lead vehicle Euro TMS slower speed to keep an impact, and once the lead vehicle leaves the path, the electric auto would quicken to accomplish its objective speed. In light of the after effects of the fundamental examination of the NTSB, this situation was reflected in the lethal Model X crash in Mountain View, California prior this year, with the electric SUV quickening after the auto straightforwardly in front withdrew from the path. Such occurrences, in any case, just happen when drivers turn out to be excessively dependent on autopilot. In the event that drivers are focusing out and about, a straightforward finger flick of the Teslaâ Euro TMS stop to incapacitate TAC is sufficient to prevent the auto from quickening and hitting a stationary vehicle. A ready driver would likewise have the capacity to apply enough brakes and assume control over the car Euro TMS, controlling on time to maintain a strategic distance from an impact. Tesla really specifies these in the only Euro TMS manual of its vehicles. As noted in a Jalopnik report, Tesla has reacted to the after effects of Thatcham Research a Euro TMS test, with the organization expressing that the Model 3 Euro TM crash would not have happened had the driver been utilizing autopilot accurately. The California-based electric auto creator additionally noticed that Tesla clients comprehend that their consideration out and about is foremost when autopilot is locked in.